Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2015 BMW X3 M Sport we have new in stock. This X3 is finished in Glacier Silver. You've got the M Sport package, which gets you the 20-inch M double spoke alloy wheels. You've got the sun protection glass, the xenon headlights at the front with the headlight washers. All of these part of the M Sport Plus package. You've also got the chrome tailpipes at the rear, standard, and some of the more aerodynamic body styling, standard on this M Sport model. On the interior, you've got full leather. You've got the electric front seats with the memory settings available on the sides as an added optional feature. You've also got the enhanced Bluetooth, the electronic folding exterior mirrors, and you've got the panoramic glass sunroof as another optional feature. You've got the Harmon and Kardon loudspeaker system as part of the M Sport Plus package. You've got your standard leather wraps multifunction steering wheel here, your standard push to start button, your climate control functions, the heated seat functions again as standard. And then lastly, on the center screen, you can see that you've got DAB radio as standard, and you've got a reversing camera as part of this M Sport package. If you'd like any more information on this 2015 BMW X3 M Sport, please contact one of our sales team through the number at the end, or inquire through our website.